What's up, guys? I'm just gonna come and walk the dog and bring you with me. So, here's the dog. And I thought, why not? Because I don't usually, and why shouldn't I? Because, it's a good idea, but at the same time it's not. Yeah, so let's, thingy, 1 minute. I'm just waiting a minute. And it's not on you. Sorry, darling. Thank you.
Your shoes, you've got to get your shoes.
No, it's okay, I'll get them. Okay, let's, I'll get my shoes and, Alright, you and you. I don't know why, but I always have a thing about wearing Nike shoes because because they're running shoes. And so the thing is, I've actually just noticed this now. If someone tries to take the iPod off of me while I'm filming, I can just run because, these shoes will boost me. Watch. See, because I had a pair, but instead of the black Nike symbol, it was all white, and around the white was black. It wasn't very similar. It's because I think I was a 12 when I got those, and now I'm a size 1 adult. I might have been a 13, I'm not sure, because I was a 13 a minute, it was a minute ago I'm 13, and then a minute ago I'm a size 1 adult. Because we think, me and my mum think that I'm a 13. But then we measure my foot, I'm a size 1 adult. A size 1 adult was the one, because my dad, a 13 wouldn't fit me. So I pulled that size 1 adult and it fitted me. And it fitted me. I don't know the correct word for that, so, So, okay. So, here's Ollie eating his dinner. Yeah, that's it. I'll see. And we're gonna take him out. So what I was gonna say, I'm not too sure what I was gonna say, but So we're gonna take Ollie out. We'll see you in a minute. Oh.
Hello?
1 minute.
Right.
Okay, I'm just gonna take this into here. You alright, guys? Because, I don't know why I just said that, because you can't respond to me. You can respond to me in comments, but it's you can't almost, you can't really. It's just, the last video, I think it was called Spurs Dog Time. Got to see Ollie. Now, I know someone who really likes dogs. And she's also at my school. She sits on my table. Unfortunately, I'm not to tell you any of these details, but, Thank God I'm not wearing my school shirt because she had a go at me because I told her, literally, I told her that, because I wore my shirt by mistake. How she had a go at me. She was like, oh, you shouldn't have done that, I was like, God. I was like, it was a mistake, for God's sake. Oh, that rhymes. Oh. I feel like that wallpaper is weird. It's creepy. Watch. I'll show you the wallpaper. That's the wallpaper. I've been filming for 4 minutes. That was when I was doing a new channel video. Guys, you know when you're a ventriloquist, you know what you do? Hey guys, how are you? You alright today? Hi guys. See, that's what you do to puppet. You go, hi guys, how are you today? It's nice, isn't it? It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day, everyone. It's a nice day, everyone. It's a nice day, everyone. Simple fact. See, because you know what, if you watch my main channel, which this will be on, you'll know, but it's because my name's on the phone, so I'm just chilling. You'll know what I mean, because I do puppeting on that, but because I set it on a Spurs phone holder, I'm in the front room right now, and it literally, hey guys, what? Look at that, that's, oh shoot. Hey guys, I've got to put you on charge for a minute. 1 minute. I might not be able to take you out with me because this flipping thing, the battery runs out. It's quicker than me. It should be charging 1 minute. There we go. So it's charging. No, she's my milk. It should be charging. And that dog is because when I got to Yorkshire, I didn't film it, but I went 2 days ago. And there's my grandma. I went to see my grandma in Yorkshire because I live in Scarborough. And literally, they had this dog called Phoebe, and she is so affectionate. She'll let me rub her belly, she'll let me give her cuddles, and it's Ollie, he's so cheeky. Phoebe, if I put a biscuit up on the side, she won't do a thing. She'll just sit and growl and whine, but she wants it. Yeah, she'll do a thing because she'll do that. But Ollie, the dog that you've seen, if I just put a biscuit down there, and I turn my head for a second, I'll look back, and I'll see his mouth, and quickly he'll just run to the hallway and just scrunch it up. I'll probably still have a second biscuit, but I'm still at least one. It's a good thing I don't bring him to Yorkshire with me, because it's num. If I'm eating one of those rich cheese biscuits, thanks, Mom. Literally, if I do that, because it's if I get one of those rich cheese biscuits and the dog's there, he's gonna jump up and do it. My mum dropped her coffee once. It landed. I'm surprised it actually landed. It landed like this cup. It landed fine, and then the dog is and it's Nanny. Yeah? Everyone can hear you.
What?
The world can hear you.
Everyone's going to hear me?
Yeah.
Come on, let's just get going.
You wait. Okay.
Oh, you turned the plug out?
Yeah, turn it off. Let's go, guys. So we're going to go. Well, obviously I'm not going to go. You're going to. Thank you, Nanny. So let's
Make
go.
sure the door's shut.
Sounds like a music video. Oh my god, it's so bright. Alright, thanks, Stephanie. Hello, Ollie. Oh my god. Guys. Holy hell. Sorry, guys. It was facing up for a minute. It's just, I think it was because it was facing up to the sky or something like that. I'm not sure if this thing's water resistant or waterproof. It should be, because all Apple products are like that. And just, I'm gonna have to let you guys go when, we get near the road, because we're at dangerous time, and so yeah. There's Ollie. Do you stop?
Did you get that one, Glenn?
Yeah, I got that one perfectly. So we are walking Ollie right now, and I enjoy it, but Just I enjoy doing these vlogs, and you comment if you want me to do more on Ollie, because I don't mind. I don't think Nanny minds either.
I think
So-
Ollie does.
Ollie definitely does. He doesn't seem to care sometimes though. It's because like I go up.
Look, look,
I didn't get that one. Gosh darn it.
look. We'll do another one in a minute. Oh, look, watch.
Oh, we gotta get this one. Oh yeah. Nanny, I got that one. It's like because it's hard filming like this.
Yeah.
Because it's sort of it's thing because it's hard. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do the outro. Well, I don't have an outro song, but you know what I mean. Okay, so subscribe,
Ollie.
comment, go to my new channel, and peace out.